Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to use filters in Microsoft Excel. As you can see, the example we're using is US states population data as well as their region and subregion as provided by 2024 US Census Bureau information. So to use a filter, first we have to create the filter, and to do so, I'm going to highlight this entire range of data, including the headers. So I'm going to highlight from B2 all the way down to the end for the 50th state, Wyoming. Then, if I go up to the data group, you'll see in the middle, the sort and filter section, we can just click filter. Once we do this, you'll see little drop-down arrows appear for every single column within our filter. So the first thing we'll do is filter out by region. So if you click on the drop-down in the region column, you'll see that all four regions we have here, Midwest, Northeast, South, and West, will appear, and they're all selected to be included in the filter. Now, if we want to just look at one region, let's first deselect all of them and then select the Northeast if that's the region we want to look at. And if we hit OK, you'll see that we now have only the Northeast states in our filter. Now we can take this even a step further and add more variables to filter out. So let's filter by population. If we click the drop down in the population column, there's many different options. We can deselect different numbers, but for numbers, it makes more sense to use this number filters option. So let's filter out numbers that are greater than or equal to, and let's type in 5 million. So this will filter out any population, or any state rather, with any population less than 5 million. And if we hit OK, you'll see now we only have 4 states in the Northeast region with a population of 5 million or more. And you can keep going and add more and more filters. So let's add a third one for the subregion. Let's say we only wanted Northeast subregion New England states with a population of 5 million or more. If we click on the drop down for subregion, first deselect and then select New England, we can hit OK. And you'll see that Massachusetts is the only New England state with a population of 5 million or more. So as you can see, filters are a good tool to narrow down data, especially if you had a lot more than just 50 data points. If you had hundreds or thousands, filters could really help you narrow it down. And then when you're done using the filters, if you want to get rid of some of the filters you made, we can go back into subregion, for example. And then if we hit the clear filter button, you'll see that we're back to just Northeast over 5 million. And then if we go back to population, we clear this filter. Now we have all of the Northeast. And then if we go into region and clear that filter, you'll see we have all the states back up again. And that's the basic rundown of how filters work in Excel. If you learned something, feel free to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet already. And as always, thanks for watching.